This is the elevator at the Swift Hope Professional Building in Sarasota, Florida. It's a Series 1. Let's go to. One is burnt out on the indicator. We're gonna go one. Here's your cab view. So it's an Otis Series 1 installed in 1988. Let's see, did someone actually call it? Or does it just chime automatically? I guess we'll find out, but for now, there's a look at the outside of the elevator. The road's kind of busy, so that's where all the noise is coming from. Let's call it. Nope, it didn't go up. So, let's go to 2. And also, here's a look at your inspection certificate. Let's see, we get the phone open. There's your emergency phone. It still has that glitch of second floor and going up. Let's get a little look out. So it's a pretty empty office complex. And if we call the elevator, now it says it's going down. So let's go 1. Since this is an empty building, let's ring the alarm. It works. It's 2,000 pound capacity. Anyway, there it goes.